Let's see how we can create a drop-down list in Apple numbers. So this is on gradebook. Here we have on gradebook, and this is the final grade. So in this column, we will actually replace this as a drop-down. So user can click here, and from the drop-down, he or she can manually choose the grade from here. So let's see how we can do this thing. So to create any drop-down list, at first we need some data. So for this type of scenario, the data is like this. These are the grades which are available generally. So this is the data list. So we need to create the drop-down list based on this data. So what we need to do? At first we need to select the data. So this is the data based on which we will create the drop-down list. Then we have to click format, and the sidebar window will be appeared. From here we have to go cell section. So this is the cell part section. So here we'll find data format is there. We have to click this arrow and it will be expanded, and it will bring us a big list number of items. From here we have to choose almost the last one, which is called pop-up menu. We have to click here and it will be like this, and here it is showing like A plus, everything is there. And now here it is showing start with first item. That means it will start from A to N F. So we have to click here, and then we'll choose start with blank, because at the beginning there will be no value. So user has to select from here. That's why I'm choosing the first option is start with blank. And now we can click enter, and it will be like this. Now here if we move our cursor, we'll see everywhere there is a like arrow, a small arrow. If we click here, it will be like this. Now we need to put this configuration here. So what you have to do? So by default, when the table will be there for the first time, it will be none, because there will be no value, right? So I'm going to choose this none, and now I'm going to select it, right click, and from here I'm going to copy it. Now I need to paste here, right? So I'm going to select the cells where we want to paste the data, and right click, and then I'm going to paste it here, and everywhere it will be paste. Now if we move our cursor and then click any of the cell, then it will be expanded like this type of drop down, and here we don't need to type anything. We just need to click this arrow and the pop-up menu will be appeared, and then we can choose the grade. For example, this is 77%, right? So which is A minus, right? So we have to click here, and from this drop down we have to choose A minus. And let's check the last one, which is 69%. This one again the arrow is appeared. We have to click here, and from here we have to choose B, right? And that's it. In this way we can easily add a drop down list in Apple numbers.